Actually, maybe more so for you, Linda, because just wrapping this up, we know that he's gotten no penalty for this hush money case. However, he still will be the first president that will become a felon in the White House. So what implication does that have, if any, considering the way this previous election just went?
Okay, well, it appears at this point it's not going to have any implication at all. He won the election. The American people knew what he was charged with. They knew that he was convicted in this case, 34 felony counts last May, and apparently they didn't care because they reelected him, and he is going to be inaugurated on January 20th.
Donald Trump in his hush money criminal conviction. After several delays, he faced a judge virtually today.
And received an unconditional discharge. Alice Gaynor covered the trial and explains the timeline of how we got to today.
In June 2015, Donald Trump announced his candidacy for president. In August 2015, Trump, his then personal attorney Michael Cohen, and American Media Inc. CEO David Pecker, the publisher of the National Enquirer, met at Trump Tower. Prosecutors say they formed a conspiracy to bury negative information about Trump to get him elected. Pecker testified about 2 catch-and-kill deals where he bought and did not publish accusations against Trump, one with Playboy model Karen McDougal, who said she had an affair with Trump. In August 2016, Pecker paid her $150,000, structuring the agreement to get around campaign finance law, telling the jury, "We didn't want the story to embarrass Mr. Trump or embarrass or hurt the campaign." In September 2016, Cohen secretly recorded a conversation with Trump, allegedly about paying AMI back.
We'll have to pay me something.
Pecker testified he ultimately didn't need to be paid back. On October 7th, 2016, the Access Hollywood tape, where Trump is caught on a hot mic talking about groping women, was released. Former Trump aide Hope Hicks testified it was a damaging development for the campaign. On October 27, 2016, days before the election, Cohen paid adult film star Stormy Daniels $130,000 to keep quiet about an alleged affair with Trump. Cohen testified before paying her, Trump was polling very poorly with women, and if Daniels' story got out, Trump thought, "Women will hate me." In February 2017, Cohen says he met Trump at the White House and talked about reimbursement. Cohen said he submitted false invoices for legal services, and Trump signed off on monthly checks of $35,000. The defense had countered Cohen was his attorney and did work for Trump and his family in 2017, but Cohen maintained he did less than 10 hours of work that year for them and never billed them. In May 2024, a jury found Trump guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records. Sentencing was set for July 11th, but was postponed at the defense's request after the U.S. Supreme Court ruling on presidential immunity. Sentencing was again postponed to September, then again after the election, but was pushed back again after Trump won, so that the defense and prosecution could weigh in on how to proceed. Trump's attorneys filed to dismiss, saying it was unconstitutional to hold criminal proceedings related to a president-elect. Trial Judge Juan Merchan denied the motion, writing, "The defendant in his motion refers to presidential immunity as one relating specifically to a sitting president no fewer than 33 times. Trump's attorneys tried multiple times to request a stay of the sentencing while they appeal, taking it all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. All requests were denied.